Yo, what is going on, guys? I'm Yusef from Property Opportunity and Profit. I just want to welcome you out to the channel. Let me tell you a little bit about the name of the channel. So, although it begins with the name Property, this is not just a real estate channel. This is a channel about financial empowerment, financial independence. All right, so here's what I need you guys to do. If you're tapping in for the first time, please hit the subscribe button. It helps us grow as a channel, helps us grow as entrepreneurs bringing content to you. It helps us get some amazing guests on so that we can interview them and give you great ideas to help your business. Secondly, here's what I also want to encourage you to do. Bring your energy. No question is a dumb question here. Bring your ideas. No idea is a dumb idea here. Although we encourage you to grow, we encourage you to listen, we encourage you to take some of these ideas, take them back, try them. If they do not work, come back here, tell us what you think we could have done better or that the presenter could have done better with his or her idea, and we're gonna try our best to implement it. I'm not gonna make this too long. I know you're eager to jump in, look at some of the amazing content. We're growing as a channel, we're growing as people, we're growing as business owners, and we encourage you guys to do the same. Hopefully we can be a part of that process. All right, later guys, see you on the inside.